Are Nyjer Seeds native? Have you ever wondered about the origins of the birdseed you put out for your feathered friends? Today, we are answering a common question. Are Nyjer seeds native? Let's break it down. Nyjer seeds come from the plant known as Gizosha abyssinica, which is not native to North America. This plant primarily grows in the Ethiopian highlands, with additional cultivation in countries like India, Nigeria, and parts of Southeast Asia. While Nyjer seeds are popular among bird enthusiasts, they originate from Africa, not the Americas. You might be surprised to learn that there have been attempts to grow Nyjer domestically in the United States. However, these efforts have faced many challenges and have not led to significant commercial production. Now, why are Nyjer seeds so appealing to birds? They are a favorite among species like the American Goldfinch. These birds have beaks perfectly shaped to extract the tiny seeds, making them a great food source. Since Nyjer seeds are imported, they undergo a heat sterilization process before they reach store shelves. This step is crucial because it kills any seeds that could sprout and prevents the introduction of invasive insects or plants into North America. When it comes to birding ethics and responsible practices, choosing native and invasive-free birdseed is essential. This helps maintain the balance of local ecosystems and prevents the spread of non-native species. While Nyjer seeds are non-native, the sterilization process reduces the risk of them becoming invasive. However, some bird lovers prefer seeds from native plants. Offering native seeds can support local wildlife and help sustain native bird populations. This practice minimizes the ecological risks associated with non-native seeds. In summary, Nyjer seeds are not native to North America, but they are widely used as birdseed due to their appeal to certain bird species. Understanding their origin and ensuring responsible use is key to aligning with ethical bird feeding practices. By making informed choices, we can enjoy birdwatching while protecting our local ecosystems.